Hi guys, so I'm gonna show you guys how I treat my hair, what I use in it, so I could give you a good look. There is a scalp prep, which I call it. I'll tell you guys what I have in here, what I used in it, and of course I'm gonna put the benefits of each of the ingredients under in the description bar. Okay, the first thing I used was ginger, ground ginger, from one of my sister businesses called Mills Organics. So this is one of our products, which is ground organic powder, ginger powder. I used aloe vera, freshly picked. I used hibiscus flower, which is freshly picked. I used some grapeseed oil and some peppermint oil. So all of them, I put them into this blender and I mix them up. In the description bar, I'm going to tell you guys what each of these ingredients can be used for, or what is their reason for using them. I'm not sure if you can see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. What I'm first going to do is, it smells lovely. I could smell the peppermint in it and the ginger. So don't mind how it looks. This is what it looks like. And I place it in a nozzle bottle so it'll be able to apply better. My treatment day, or my wash day as most persons will call it, I use our Regrowth fertilizer infused with lemongrass from our Cutie Essentials Crazy Faith collection. So what I do, I shake the bottle well, and then I spray the fertilizer onto my scalp as much as I can to help open up the pores so that the scalp prep that I'm going to be using can penetrate a little better. Some persons say, why do you treat your hair twice? Because I want it to grow. Some persons might be like, why do you treat your hair before and after? Because what I'm doing is trying to lift the buildup that's already there on the scalp and then go ahead and add more moisture to it at the end with a conditioning treatment or so, or a hair mask. So I'll tell you a little bit about our hair fertilizer. It helps support natural hair growth and retention. It rehabilitates dry hair and damaged hair. It stimulates scalp, leaving a refreshing feeling. I use it as a scalp soother, a refresher, anti-age, or a scalp prep for treatment. So I use it right here, massage it in. The next step is to use my scalp prep, which I just created, and I run it through my hair, massaging it in. God, I love the smell of this. It smells so nice. It smells so nice. Problem areas, of course, we concentrate on. A little trick you could use while adding a scalp prep, which is liquid or oil to your scalp, ensure that you massage it in. This will limit the runniness or the dripping that you normally get when you use excessive liquid. Okay, so I'm focusing on the scalp, and then I'll use some of it on the hair itself. Sometimes do it for 10 minutes under the dryer at the salon. My hair's so soft. Yes, so See you guys soon. This video was brought to you by Cutie Pie Essentials featuring our Crazy Fave collection Regrowth hair fertilizer. Follow us on Instagram, Cutie Pie Essentials, and of course guys, please subscribe and hit that notification bar. See you next time.